Welcome to Graff-Reinet, the gem of the Karoo, one of the prettiest towns in South Africa, with more historic properties and national monuments than any other town in the country. It is also believed to be the only town in the world which is completely surrounded by a national park, the Kothuize National Park, which includes the famous Valley of Desolation. Welcome also to Kothuize, one of Graff-Reinet's premier self-catering lodges, consisting of 9 historic properties, most of which are national monuments, full of charm and character. They have been lovingly restored and furnished with Afrikaner antiques and prints. They will give you a true feeling of a bygone era. But have modern amenities and are fully air-conditioned. Many of them are situated in South Africa's most historic and architecturally beautiful street, Parsonage Street, and all are convenient for local restaurants. Do come and enjoy Kothuize. If you can, please stay here for at least 2 nights, with 1 full day devoted to exploring its museums and other attractions. So, come and enjoy a stay at Kothuize.